Welcome back to the Crochet Cruise, my friends over at yarnspirations.com. This is the final step of joining your items together and then the final border pattern. So what's going to happen is that you're going to do a whip stitch, and if you notice that the grouping of 5, you're going to attach then the stitches just like you see. So it's going to be the second one of the double crochet together with the second one over here, and you're gonna whip stitch around the back loop only. So when you're looking at the project here, you only want to grab the back loops when you're joining, and you want to match them together, and you're just gonna sew them together. This will create an invisible join, and if you use the same color then it will be completely invisible. So you will notice that you will do that, and I would recommend going all the way down one section and then doing the next section and then crossing over and doing the crossing overs at the same time. So you want to make sure that when you are sewing you want to keep all your squares facing up. You're then going to do a border, and the border here, do you notice that there is a double crochet and a half here where they join? There is always a droop down when things go together. You can kind of see it here on the picture. And this drooping down, you should compensate that. So the first time you're going around the whole thing is that right where it's joining together with the whip stitch, go with a double crochet so it'll be sitting right on the actual join itself. And then the second one, the middle one, sorry, of the grouping of 3 will have a half, and then the rest of it is all singles. So on the corners, on the middle one of the grouping of 5 will be 3 single crochets. You're gonna do that the first time around, and then you're gonna do another single crochet just matching stitch to stitch. So it's just a single crochet, and in the corners in the middle one there will be 3 single crochets. You're then going to do one layer then of double crochets going around. The middle one of the grouping of 3 will have 5, and then finally you're going to do a single crochet picot. And what this is that you single crochet, you chain 3, you slip stitch it to the first chain, and then single into the next. So then you just immediately jump to the next one. So single, chain 3, slip stitch to the third chain there. This is called a picot, and then single crochet in the next, and you're gonna do that all the way around. If you happen to have an odd number and it doesn't match, just fake the very ending. You can put 2 single crochets together in order to get that to work as well. So it's only, you're only gonna be off by 1 stitch if you're off at all. So I did the final border to allow flexibility for when things come together. Sometimes stitch counts don't always match, so this will allow you to be flexible by just being able to put it together. If you don't think that you need to drop down, of course you don't need to do that, but this is a great way to do it so that at least the next layers can match up to each other. So that would be how I'd put it together.